Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new on this channel, you're welcome, and my name is Joy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this powerful oil blend for treating scalp issues and alopecia. So if this is what you want to see, then keep watching. So here I have my oil. You need an oil, any oil of your choice, but I'm going to be using olive oil. I love using olive oil because it's a penetrating oil. Then you also need a jar. So you need a jar. This is where you're going to be making all your mixtures. Then my first herb ingredient is going to be moringa. Moringa, as we know, is powerhouse of all nutrients. So I'm going to be telling you what it does shortly. My next herb is going to be Chebe Powder. So I love Chebe Powder. If you've been watching my videos, you know I make mention of Chebe Powder. So my next ingredient is going to be Chebe Powder. And I'm going to be sharing with you its benefits shortly. So I'm going to be using 2 spoons of moringa powder. Moringa is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. They help to rejuvenate hair, thereby reducing alopecia. So Chebe powder is also known to nourish and hydrate the hair. So as a result, there is less breakage. And guys, when there is less breakage, of course, you know you're going to be retaining more length. So this is my mixture, just 1 spoon of the Chebe powder. So I'm going to be adding my oil into this mixture so that the herb can infuse into my oil. So you want to stir this properly with a spatula, a spoon, or whatever it is you have available to you, so that everything can mix properly. And then I'm going to cover this up. But before then, I like to add my vitamin E oil. This helps me to preserve my oil and give it a longer shelf life, just in case by means of application some water gets into it or anything like that. It can help to preserve my oil. So I use it for mostly all my DIYs and they last long for me. So you want to mix this properly so that the herb is not stuck or congealed in a place. So you want to mix this very well. So I cover this up and I'm going to stir this away for 24 hours for it to infuse properly. But before then, I like to put this in a bowl of hot water so as to allow the herb to infuse into the oil properly. I like this method because then the hot water is going to infuse this properly without reducing the effect of the herbs. So guys, I actually left this for 48 hours, which is 2 days. So I'm going to be sieving this out with my socks. You can use a cheesecloth or anything that can help you to sieve it properly without allowing these particles to pass through. So as you can see, this is a dark green, greenish brown, I think, in color. This is showing me that my moringa and Chebe powder has infused properly into my oil. So guys, as you can see, this is a very potent oil. I'm going to be putting it into my applicator bottle. I love this applicator bottle because you can actually adjust the way the oil comes out of the bottle. You know, you can actually adjust, you can reduce it or increase it. And this is it, guys. This is the power herb oil. This is a powerful oil and you can use this, like I said, as a hot oil treatment or to moisturize your hair. So you want to apply this directly to your scalp, directly to areas that are affected, and massage it properly. So you can use this 2 to 3 times in a week. That will be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.